Sugru might be one of the more interesting glues and adhesive to come up in recent years. It's maybe more like a modeling clay of sorts that turns into a flexible rubber. So it comes in a small pack. Within you get 3 individual foil packed pieces of Sugru. Once you open the package, you only have that day to use it. It will dry out and become hard rubber. It is a very small amount compared to the price. It is about $12 for a pack of 3. I'll demonstrate 2 of the places where we found it to be most useful in Repair Cafe. Okay, so here's one of the first uses for Sugru. We're looking at a MacBook Pro power supply, and the cable is beginning to fray. And so what we can do is create our own strain relief around where the cable joins with the connector, and that'll help to reinforce this and prevent it from fraying any further. So we'll just go ahead and clip off some of the excess material that we have here in the insulation of the cord, and then open up our Sugru pack. So this is about $4 worth of Sugru. Not a whole lot. It's very pliable. You can knead it, mush it around here a bit, work it. We're going to use just a little bit, and what I'm going to do is break that off. You don't have to worry about it drying too quickly. It does take overnight to dry, so you don't have limited working time. Let's go ahead and start getting this onto the workpiece here. That's going to bond very nicely to the aluminum. Now we don't want it to interfere with the chassis of the Macintosh, so we're just going to smooth that down along that axis there. And that's it. We'll set that aside. The suitcase come in, and the rubber on the caster or the rollerblade style wheel had begun to come off. It was a much smaller wheel than this, but we were able to begin using some Sugru and fill in the broken piece of wheel. So that did adhere very well to this kind of material. And we can just begin to press that into place. And if you're able to get a smooth, continuous surface with the existing rubber, you can get a nice rolling effect there without having a bumpy wheel. So it kind of fills in a nice little patch on a broken caster or rollerblade wheel on a luggage or something else.